Have you ever stopped to wonder whether a simple, inexpensive, and widely available food could silently transform your health? This is a question that many overlook, yet the answer might be right in front of your eyes on your dining table. Cucumber, with its unassuming appearance, mild flavor, and refreshing nature, is often considered merely a salad, garnish, or a side dish. However, this vegetable is a treasure trove of benefits for the human body, especially when it comes to hydration and reducing visible swelling. Hydration has become one of the most crucial topics today, as modern life, with its rush, consumption of processed foods, excess sodium, and insufficient water intake, leads millions of people to struggle with fluid retention, dry skin, fatigue, and even digestive issues. In this scenario, cucumber emerges as a simple, natural, and effective solution. Not only does it contain over 95% water, but it also carries essential minerals and antioxidants that work together to nourish, detoxify, and balance the body. Cucumber has a history that stretches back thousands of years. Researchers believe its origin lies in India and Southeast Asia, from where it spread to the Middle East, Europe, and eventually the rest of the world. Historical records indicate that Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans cultivated and consumed cucumbers not only as food but also for medicinal and cosmetic purposes. Cleopatra, for example, is noted in ancient texts as a fan of cucumber in facial treatments to maintain youthful, hydrated skin. This historical context shows that people have long recognized the remarkable effects of this humble vegetable. But what makes cucumber truly special? Let's start with its nutritional composition. Every 100 grams of raw cucumber provides very few calories, approximately 12 to 15 kilocalories, making it one of the lightest foods suitable for weight management. Despite its low caloric content, it is rich in water, fiber, vitamins, and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and small amounts of vitamin C and vitamin K. This combination ensures hydration while supporting blood circulation, muscle function, and fluid balance. Another key feature is cucumber's diuretic effect. Thanks to its high water content and minerals, it helps the body eliminate toxins and reduce fluid retention. This translates into less swelling, less heaviness, and even visible improvements in areas prone to fluid accumulation, such as the abdomen, legs, and face. Many people experiencing edema or puffy sensations find that regular cucumber consumption offers a natural form of relief. From a digestive perspective, cucumber also plays a significant role. Its dietary fibers aid intestinal transit and support a balanced gut microbiome. Moreover, its mild acidity stimulates digestive juices, enhancing nutrient absorption and reducing discomforts such as heartburn or indigestion. It is no coincidence that in many cultures, cucumber is served as an appetizer or light accompaniment to prepare the stomach for the main meal. Skin health is another domain where cucumber excels. Placed over tired eyes, cucumber slices reduce puffiness and dark circles due to their soothing, cooling, and mildly astringent properties. Regular consumption, however, has even deeper effects. The internal hydration and antioxidants contribute to cellular regeneration, skin elasticity, and the prevention of premature aging. This is why many skincare products incorporate cucumber extracts into their formulations. Now, consider a practical example. Someone who suffers from fluid retention, particularly in the legs after long days of standing or sitting. This person might experience discomfort, marks from shoes or socks, heaviness, and restricted movement. By adding cucumber to their daily diet, whether in salads, detox juices, or infused waters, they are providing the body with a powerful natural tool to eliminate excess fluids, often without the need for diuretic medications. Modern science supports these benefits. Studies indicate that consuming water-rich foods like cucumber directly aids in maintaining the body's fluid balance, and may prevent conditions related to chronic dehydration. Additionally, antioxidants such as flavonoids and tannins found in cucumber combat free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting cells from oxidative damage. In a world where pollution, stress, and poor diets elevate inflammation levels, this feature is increasingly valuable. Cucumber also contributes to cardiovascular health. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of hypertension. Regular consumption also supports kidney function by promoting the elimination of metabolic waste. For individuals prone to kidney stones, cucumber can aid in prevention by helping to dilute urine and facilitate filtration. Weight management is another advantage of cucumber. Its low-calorie content and high satiety due to water and fiber make it ideal for snacks or meal additions, reducing overall caloric intake without compromising nutrition. Popular detox drinks, such as cucumber, lemon, and ginger juices, combine refreshment, cleansing effects, and a metabolism boost. Culturally, cucumber appears in many traditional cuisines. In Japanese dishes, it features in sushi and sunomono. In Greece, it is central to tzatziki, a yogurt cucumber sauce. In India, it is used in refreshing salads to complement spicy meals. In Brazil, it's a staple in everyday fresh salads. This global presence illustrates cucumber's versatility and adaptability across diverse culinary traditions. Despite its simplicity, cucumber is often underestimated. Many people associate health with exotic foods, expensive supplements, or complex diets, overlooking the consistent, long-term benefits of a humble vegetable. Modern nutrition emphasizes a principle that remains timeless. The more natural and whole the food, the greater its health benefits. Cucumber fits this principle perfectly. Consuming it raw or lightly prepared preserves its properties and offers the body a true source of balance. Cucumber consumption should not be viewed as an occasional practice, but rather as a habit that, when incorporated into daily routines, can bring long-term positive effects. Unlike some functional foods that need to be consumed in large quantities or in industrialized formats, cucumber is simple. Just wash it, slice it, and eat it raw. This practicality makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of financial resources or available time. One of the most discussed points among nutritionists is the importance of body fluid balance. The human body is composed of approximately 60 to 70% water, and any fluctuation in this balance can directly affect health. When we fail to drink enough water, the body tends to retain fluids as a protective mechanism. This retention manifests as swelling in extremities, puffiness in the face, and even digestive difficulties. Cucumber proves effective in this regard by providing water naturally, along with minerals that help regulate fluid balance. It reduces the body's need to store excess liquids. Another fundamental benefit of cucumber is its anti-inflammatory potential. Silent inflammation is linked to many chronic diseases, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and even cancer. Compounds present in cucumber, such as flavonoids and tannins, act to combat internal inflammatory processes, helping to reduce long-term health risks. This highlights the idea that simple, natural foods can serve as powerful allies in preventing modern illnesses. It is also important to consider cucumber's contribution of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and blood coagulation. While many associate vitamin K with dark leafy greens like kale and spinach, cucumber also provides a meaningful amount, especially when eaten with the skin. Therefore, whenever possible, consuming cucumber whole, properly washed, is highly recommended to preserve both fiber and micronutrients. Speaking of the skin, it's worth noting that most of the fiber in cucumber is concentrated in its peel. These fibers not only contribute to satiety, but also nourish beneficial gut bacteria, promoting intestinal balance. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption, increases serotonin production, the feel-good hormone, and strengthens the immune system. Eating cucumber raw with the skin intact is a simple way to support the body from the inside out. From an aesthetic standpoint, cucumber has long been associated with beauty treatments. Placing cucumber slices over tired eyes reduces puffiness and dark circles due to its cooling effect and antioxidant content. Homemade facial masks with grated cucumber hydrate and soothe the skin, reducing redness and leaving a fresher, more youthful appearance. However, true beauty comes from within. Regular cucumber consumption impacts not only skin but also hair and nail strength, enhancing overall appearance naturally. Cucumber is also excellent for those seeking to improve physical performance. Athletes and active individuals benefit from its high water and mineral content, which helps replenish electrolytes lost during exercise. Unlike commercial isotonic drinks, often loaded with sugars and artificial additives, cucumber provides a natural alternative to stay hydrated and energized. This explains why cucumber and lemon juices have gained popularity in gyms and among fitness enthusiasts. Culturally, cucumber is a versatile ingredient in many traditional cuisines. In East Asian cuisine, it appears in cold soups and light salads. In the Middle East, it is combined with yogurt in dishes like tzatziki. In India, it is included in refreshing salads that balance spicy meals. In Latin America, it is used in everyday fresh salads and beverages. This global presence demonstrates cucumber's adaptability and universal appeal. Beyond physical benefits, cucumber also offers a psychological advantage. Its cooling and refreshing properties, especially on hot days, provide an immediate sense of well-being. The body relaxes, the mind calms, and meals feel lighter. This psychological effect should not be underestimated, as the mind-body connection directly influences digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall health. Cucumber's contribution to cardiovascular health is also significant. Potassium in cucumber helps regulate heart rate and balance sodium levels, reducing blood pressure spikes. Individuals with hypertension may find cucumber a natural ally in managing the condition, though it should always complement a healthy lifestyle and medical guidance. Research shows that diets rich in potassium-containing vegetables are associated with a lower incidence of heart disease. Cucumber plays an important role in weight management. Its low-calorie content and high water and fiber levels make it ideal for replacing processed snacks, reducing overall caloric intake. Interestingly, the act of chewing cucumber, especially thicker slices, enhances satiety and reduces cravings. This means cucumber not only nourishes, but also helps control overeating. From a sustainability perspective, cucumber offers additional advantages. It is relatively easy to cultivate, adapts to various climates, and requires less water than many other crops. Choosing cucumber as a dietary staple is not only beneficial for personal health, but also for the environment, making it a sustainable choice, in addition to being nutritious. One of the lesser-known benefits of cucumber is its impact on digestive health. Its soluble and insoluble fibers enhance intestinal transit and act as prebiotics, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome influences the immune system, reduces systemic inflammation, and improves nutrient absorption. For individuals suffering from bloating, constipation, or irregular digestion, incorporating cucumber into daily meals can offer a gentle, effective, and natural solution. Cucumber is also a rich source of antioxidants, including flavonoids, lignans, and vitamin C. These compounds neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, which is linked to premature aging, chronic inflammation, and degenerative diseases. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, cucumber contributes to the protection of cells, tissues, and organs, reinforcing overall systemic health. Its antioxidants also help preserve the integrity of skin, collagen, and elastin, maintaining youthful elasticity and reducing signs of fatigue and aging. Another significant advantage of cucumber consumption is its contribution to kidney health. High water content combined with minerals such as potassium facilitates the natural elimination of waste through urine, reducing the risk of kidney stones and supporting optimal renal function. People who are prone to urinary tract infections or kidney-related issues may find relief through regular cucumber intake, as it helps dilute urine and flush toxins from the system. Cucumber's low-calorie and high satiety profile makes it an ideal component for those seeking to manage weight naturally. Eating cucumber as a snack between meals or including it in salads can reduce overall calorie intake, while maintaining nutrient density. This is particularly important in modern diets, where processed, calorie-dense foods are prevalent and contribute to weight gain, metabolic disorders, and systemic inflammation. The simple act of chewing fresh cucumber also promotes satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on less nutritious foods. From a cardiovascular perspective, cucumber supports heart health through potassium-mediated sodium regulation, helping maintain stable blood pressure levels. Stable blood pressure reduces the risk of hypertension, stroke, and cardiovascular disease. Additionally, cucumbers contain compounds that contribute to improved blood vessel function and reduced inflammation in the arterial walls, creating an environment conducive to optimal cardiovascular performance. Cucumber also offers practical advantages in daily wellness routines. Infused waters, smoothies, salads, and raw snacks can easily incorporate cucumber, making hydration a natural and enjoyable habit. The cooling effect of cucumber also enhances its appeal in hot climates, providing a refreshing, energy-boosting option that complements other health-focused practices, such as physical activity and balanced nutrition. Beyond physical health, cucumber consumption may influence mental well-being. Adequate hydration, supported by water-rich foods like cucumber, is critical for maintaining cognitive function, mood regulation, and mental clarity. Dehydration, even at mild levels, can impair concentration, increase irritability, and contribute to fatigue. Regular cucumber intake ensures that hydration needs are met, supporting both body and mind. Culturally, cucumber has long been celebrated for its versatility. In East Asian traditions, it appears in cold soups, pickles, and sushi. In Mediterranean cuisine, it enhances tzatziki and fresh salads. In Indian dishes, it balances spicy meals and refreshing chutneys and raitas. This global adaptability demonstrates cucumber's universal appeal and highlights its ability to complement diverse dietary patterns while delivering consistent health benefits. The cosmetic and skincare applications of cucumber are also widely recognized. Topical use, such as applying cucumber slices or masks to the skin, reduces puffiness, soothes irritation, and provides a refreshing sensation. The antioxidants and hydrating properties complement dietary intake, meaning that external and internal applications work synergistically to enhance skin texture, reduce dark circles, and promote a youthful appearance. In addition to individual benefits, cucumber contributes to environmental sustainability. It requires relatively low water for cultivation compared to other vegetables, grows efficiently in various climates, and can be harvested multiple times per season. Choosing cucumber as a dietary staple not only supports personal health, but also aligns with environmentally conscious practices, emphasizing the intersection of nutrition, wellness, and ecological responsibility. From a scientific standpoint, research increasingly identifies cucumber as a functional food with therapeutic potential. Clinical trials have demonstrated improvements in hydration, reductions in oxidative stress markers, enhanced kidney function, and benefits in weight management. Bioactive compounds in cucumber, such as cucurbitacins, have shown anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory effects in laboratory studies, highlighting its potential beyond basic nutrition. These findings underscore cucumber's value as a natural, accessible, and versatile food, capable of supporting multiple health outcomes. Practical recipes featuring cucumber abound. Simple cucumber salads with olive oil, lemon, and herbs provide a nutrient-dense side dish. Smoothies blending cucumber, mint, and green apple offer a refreshing beverage. Infused waters with cucumber, lime, and ginger enhance hydration. And chilled soups featuring cucumber, yogurt, and spices make light, nourishing meals. Each preparation preserves cucumber's hydrating properties while adding flavor and variety to daily nutrition. Regular cucumber intake also supports joint health. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce systemic inflammation that contributes to joint pain, stiffness, and swelling. Athletes and older adults may particularly benefit from this effect, as it helps maintain mobility, comfort, and overall physical performance. Combined with hydration and potassium content, cucumber acts as a natural aid in musculoskeletal wellness. From a holistic perspective, cucumber exemplifies the principle of food as medicine. It offers hydration, nutrients, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds while supporting physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Its simple integration into daily diets makes it accessible to people of all ages and lifestyles, reinforcing that effective nutrition does not require complexity or expense. Furthermore, cucumber aligns with modern wellness trends emphasizing natural, whole foods, plant-based nutrition, and preventive healthcare. It serves as an example of how a humble vegetable can deliver profound benefits, from reducing visible swelling and enhancing skin appearance to supporting cardiovascular, renal, digestive, and mental health. Its combination of scientific evidence, cultural versatility, and practical applications positions cucumber as a true staple in functional nutrition. In summary, cucumber is far more than a garnish or salad ingredient. It is a powerful, accessible, and natural solution for hydration, anti-inflammatory support, digestive balance, weight management, cardiovascular health, skin and hair maintenance, and overall well-being. Regular consumption, whether raw, in salads, infused waters, or smoothies, can transform health in ways both visible and internal. It reminds us that true wellness often resides in simple, natural choices, and that incorporating humble foods like cucumber into daily life can yield profound, long-lasting benefits. By embracing cucumber as part of a balanced whole food diet, individuals not only address hydration and swelling, but also support a wide spectrum of health outcomes, contributing to vitality, longevity, and quality of life. In an era of complex diets and processed foods, cucumber offers a refreshing, evidence-based, and practical approach to wellness, proving that sometimes the simplest foods are also the most powerful.